Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to unlock the number 7 bike in Mad Skills Motocross 2, then this video is for you. For unlocking the 7th bike in Mad Skills Motocross 2, you have to win the race in 3 jam rounds in a row. So if you win 2 in a row and lost 1, then you have to start from the very beginning, that because you have just broke your streak. So make sure that you have a 3-win streak on jam rounds. So for every jam rounds last 1 week, starting on Wednesday or Thursday, depending on where you live. On the jam screen, you will see how much time is left in each round at the bottom of the screen. So this achievement isn't hard, but it just takes some time to get it and earn the 7 for free. Just make sure you participate in each round and get at least 1 win. If you do that, then when you get your first win in your third consecutive round, you will get this bike here, 7th bike. So that's how you can just simply do it, and it's pretty much easy. And hope you found this video helpful. If you have any confusion left yet, then leave it in our comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.